All right, welcome back to the Chemistry Honors lesson. In this video, we are going to be discussing Chemistry Honors Lesson 13.1, Introduction to Redox and Electrochemistry. So, when you have the transfer of electrons between sodium and chlorine to make sodium chloride, you have a loss of one electron in the sodium and a gain of one electron in the chlorine. So the oxidation numbers show the charge of an ion or the apparent charge of an atom in a compound. So uncombined, the oxidation state is always 0, and for a monatomic ion is equal to the charge of the ion. So +2 for magnesium, -1 for chlorine, +3 for iron. In most compounds, hydrogen is +1. If it's a metal hydride, though, it's a -1. The vast majority of compounds, oxygen is -2, but in peroxides, which is a group 1 metal, 2 of them bonded with 2 oxygens, then the oxidation number is -1. Binary compounds, the more electronegative element has the negative number. The sum of all the oxidation numbers in a neutral compound, that would be 0. And the sum of oxidation numbers for all the atoms in a polyatomic ion is equal to the charge of the ion. And in case you're wondering why I'm holding my leg up so much, it's actually because wearing shorts was a bad idea today. Or it wasn't, but it is now, because it's actually getting kind of chilly outside. Just in case you were disturbed by that. So, if you have Na2Cr2O7, not going to actually open up this PDF, but the Na each is +1, so that's +2. The O7, because of the oxygen, would be -14. This would mean the chromium would have to be +6 because it's -2 in the end. So you have a +5, I think, actually. And then ClO3 with a wait, no, it's neutral. So yeah, it would be my +6. And then for chlorine and ClO3, because all the oxygen would have to be -6 combined, because 2 times 3 is 6, you'd have to have the chlorine be +5. So redox is the oxidation and reduction reactions. Oxidation number will either increase or decrease. So when an element gains an electron, reduction occurs, and when it loses an electron, oxidation occurs. Leo says "Go." So to recognize a redox reaction, if there's a change in the oxidation number for a particular atom, it is redox. So in NH3 plus O2 into NO plus H2O, the O2 is actually going to change its oxidation number. And that's, again, the biggest reason why you could tell that there's going to be a change in the oxidation number. That's like your biggest giveaway. Then also the fact that with the NO, you have to have -2 for the oxygen instead of it's neutral. The nitrogen must be +2, whereas in the previous one with the H3 being a +1, that would make the N into a -3. That's how you know. HCl plus NaOH turning into NaCl and H2O is actually not a redox reaction. Synthesis, decomposition, and single replacement of redox, whereas double replacement is not a redox reaction. Just think that that's an important concept that you should know.